Hi, this is Dr. John, and I wanted to show you really quick how to sign up for Medicare online. So if you're turning 65, one of the easiest ways you can sign up for Medicare is by going online to the Social Security website to start and complete your application. So to do so, first you'll go to the Social Security website, which is ssa.gov/Medicare. And that takes you to this page here where it says Social Security and then it says Medicare benefits on the bottom. So in this page, what you can do is you can scroll all the way down and there's a button for apply for Medicare only. Now this website can also sign you up for Social Security, but this particular part, the Medicare part of this website, signs you up for just Medicare. So you can click on that button and you can start a new application right over here in the center. You can select you're applying for yourself and that you're not blind or visually impaired. And then this takes you to the application. Now, we're not going to do a full application just because I don't want to accidentally sign anybody up for Medicare again. But essentially here, pretty self-explanatory, first, middle, last name, and then your Social Security number, your date of birth, as well as your gender. And this last question can be a little bit confusing. Basically, what this last question asks is if you're disabled. And if the answer is no, then you hit no and then you hit next. The next page, what it's going to show you is a few boxes to fill in your address, your phone number, as well as when the best time to contact you is if you're going to be if there's going to be an issue with your application. You can also then choose whether you want to sign up for Part B as well, or which is outpatient services, or if you're working past 65 and you just want to sign up for Part A, you can select I want to sign up for Part A only. And whatever you decide, you can click next and it will sign you up for either Part A or Parts A and B. And in certain cases, if you are a non-U.S. born citizen, the website may ask you to provide some type of evidence that you are a citizen. So that means that you have to actually go to Social Security to present a physical, either a certificate of citizenship or a passport. You can't bring a copy; you have to bring the original, and then they will then override the application for you to sign up for Medicare. And then in other cases, individuals have been asked to provide a birth certificate as well. So that's something to watch out for. But otherwise, it's a pretty straightforward process. Again, this really only works well for people that are turning 65. If you're working past 65 and you want to sign up for B after 65, you have to fill out forms CMS 564 as well as 40B, which are included in the booklet as well as on Doctor's Choice University. And those forms have to be physically delivered to Social Security, whether it's through mail or in person. And that just says that you've been covered all this time by work and that you will not incur any penalties. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Doctor's Choice. And I hope that was a straightforward tutorial and hope you have a great day.